Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So today we got another unboxing video by FMS, and this time it's the K10. Last time we did a K5, this time we got a K10. And let me tell you, FMS makes some of the best looking mini crawlers out there right now. Man, look at this thing. This thing is such a beautiful truck. So the bed does open up, so that's kind of cool. Also, the hood pops up, which is another cool feature, and that's where your battery is, right there, right in the hood. So it is a ready to run truck, so you'll have your battery, tools, all that kind of stuff in there, and then you got your remote. Oh, this one looks a little different. So compared to the first K10, this one is a little bit lifted, so it makes crawling just a little bit better. So you get your 4-link suspension. It's a 2-speed transmission. Also, you do get portals, so a little bit better ground clearance. You get lights, I believe they're in the front, back. Just overall, ready to run, awesome little crawler. Look how torquey this thing is. Peel out, dude. All right, let's do a little drag race. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! I think they're the same.
No, dude. I won.
What are you talking about, dude?
Dude, you not see me?
I think they're the same. All right, let's go back. K10 versus K5. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro, you're driving like a... I think I won, dude.
Oh, I hit a rock.
Yeah, these little guys, they climb pretty good. Right now we're on the low speed. See if we could maneuver through these little rocks right here. Yeah, so the K5 has a smaller wheelbase. K10 has a longer one. I don't know if that's better or not, but so far both of them are really good. Yeah, both of these bodies just look so good. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to recover you. Come on. Oh, save. Yo, this thing got it, dude. Oh. You still might get it. Oh, you got it. It's going slowly. Yeah, we're on the hill. There we go. Gotta say, these crawlers are so fun. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Can't do that in real life.